Welcome to The Explainer. Let's break down how to ace Olympiads without letting your school grades slip. Feel like you're studying twice for everything? It's overwhelming. But what if there was a better way?
Here's the secret. This is how much the Olympiad syllabus overlaps with what you're already studying in school.
So the solution isn't studying more, it's studying smarter.
It's called integrated learning. Let's dive in.
Here's a simple 4-week sprint plan that fits right into your busy school schedule. This table is basically your roadmap for the whole month. Let's break down what you'll focus on each week. For week 1, you just focus on the tough Scholars Zone questions for the chapters you're already studying. Okay, week 2 is all about logical reasoning. And listen, this part is huge. It can literally decide your rank. Week 3 is all about getting fast and accurate with those MCQs. And yeah, no calculators allowed. And in week 4, it's time for the real deal. You'll solve past papers under a strict timer. Gotta get used to that pressure. But what if you've got school and coaching? Don't worry, this daily power hour makes it all work. Here's how your 60 minutes break down. See how it connects school topics directly to Olympiad practice. So the plan is key. But these 4 pro tips, this is what gives you that winning edge. These are your secret weapons. Use weekends for mock tests, hit those high-value questions, and use every free moment. This plan turns all that pressure into a clear path forward. So the only question is, which tip will you